Hello, hello. So earlier today, I had posted a video on how to make your own DIY t-shirt masks. All you need is a pair of scissors and a t-shirt. I posted that video below in the description box if you wanted to see that video if you missed it. But while I was making it, I even mentioned to those of you that did see it that you might want to consider using t-shirt material in place of your elastic because a lot of people cannot find it. So what I was thinking is you can take, because there is some elasticity to a t-shirt that stretches, you could either leave it so you can tie a knot on the end or however you want to do it, and then they can either tie it around their head themselves with the t-shirt, or you can do it something like this, or they can do it where they can tie it around their ear. I know that a lot of people are donating masks and they have new material, so if you're looking, you don't want to cut up your own t-shirts or you don't have enough, I found a link on Amazon for 6 t-shirts for $14. They have a variety of them. I'm only going to put one below in the description box. I thought $14 to have them shipped with Prime is pretty good. Yes, you're going to have to wait for them, but this is such an easy process that all of you can do. And again, they're going to look like this when you're done. And when you stretch it out, you really can't tell, but it has that elasticity to it. So all you have to do is take your t-shirt. So here's the t-shirt that we made our masks on earlier. And all you have to do, if you're using white, black, whatever color you're using, I'm using fabric scissors. It cuts through much quicker. And you're just going to make these about 1 inch. Now, some of you might want to make them wider, but you have to remember that that cut edge might not be right unless maybe you're using a wheel and it gives you a nice smooth finish. But what you're going to do is you are just going to cut your strips. And of course, all you have to do is stretch it out, and that gives you that tubing. So what I mean by letting them put it on, you can sew this to the mask and you can leave some room here. And then what they can do is when they have the mask on and they have the 2 little tails, they can easily either take it and they can go around and tie it themselves in the back, or you can attach it the way I have them here, and maybe they can tie them themselves, because everybody's head is different. Some people are using the headbands with the buttons. I just wanted to share this idea because I thought, well, so many people are looking. I don't know if anybody's thought of this. I know that all of the rubber band, elastic, everything is gone from like Dollar Tree and places like that. You can't even buy it online. So I thought, hey, I bet you some of you can be really creative and you can use a t-shirt to continue to make your masks, donate them, even sell them to the public now. I know a lot of people are not working. I don't see anything wrong with selling a few masks to pay the bills. Not everybody's getting unemployment, and everybody needs to take care of themselves somehow. So I just wanted to share this idea with all of you. Be safe, be kind to one another, and I will see all of you really, really soon. Bye now.